video, you are going to be walking away with your TikTok affiliate listing shop like this. You see, these are all TikTok affiliate listings. So make sure you watch this video to the end. The video is not going to be long, but I promise you, you are going to be able to start your own TikTok affiliate successfully. If you live in Europe country, UK, US, you are going to start signing up now that you are watching this video. Please do well. If you can share the video, share. Do well to subscribe, because I always drop side hustle idea, genuine side hustle idea that people can do on the internet. That is what I do. My name is Ifless Alovis. I teach beginner content creation, how to earn online genuinely. If you are looking for side hustle, my platform is the best platform for you to be. So that is it. Quickly explain to you what affiliate marketing on TikTok is. You promoting a product. This product is what I got this as affiliate marketer on TikTok. So when you are able to put on consistent, you post every day, you create, you carry your audience along, brands will see your work, your consistency, they will send you packaging. That is it. I always tell beginner, please be consistent. Even if you have not started selling, be consistent, because people buy from those they trust. So consistency is the #1 key. You as a beginner, you want your store to look like a Ifless Alovis store like this, because I know everybody want to like, please show me quickly, so that I know how to set it up. My video doesn't take 10 minutes, whatever. The maximum my video can take is 3 minutes, whatever. So that is it. I'm a beginner. What did I need to start affiliate marketing on TikTok? TikTok is not like Amazon. On Amazon, you don't need any follower to start. You can just go and sign up as Amazon associate and you start promoting. But on TikTok, you need just 1,000 followers. When I started with 5,000 followers, but now it's a 1,000 follower, and it's easy to get. You post every day. Before you know, you can get your 1,000 follower and you go and sign up. But I'm going to be sharing my screen with you where to go and sign up as a beginner who want to sign up on TikTok. If you are living in Europe, please don't miss our TikTok affiliate. It's a game changer. It's the quickest side hustle idea you can generate for yourself. Even if you are doing your 9 to 5 job, TikTok affiliate is the best. It doesn't disturb you. You can just go sign up, provided you have your 1,000 and build trust. Then you are good to go. Then after your 1,000 followers, you still need to be going on live stream. Yes, live stream is another strategy again people are using to getting it clear on TikTok affiliate. Make sure you always be on live. Once people start building trust, they see you every day on live stream, everybody want to come around, everybody want to buy from you. Because one thing I've noticed on TikTok, people like to buy from people that they have built trust on. So if they don't build that trust on you, they will don't want to buy. They'll say, what if I buy and this account close? How do I get my money back? You see, people like consistent and trust. Once you are consistent, they trust you. Sure, you are going to start selling your market on TikTok, and you start earning huge amounts of commission for yourself. So before I share the screen with you, another thing you can do again to come to get free sample quickly. This is a trick that people don't want to share. To get quick sample, make sure you use the product you already bought. The item you already have. Take for instance, you bought this perfume on any Amazon or anywhere. Start creating authentic video. Make a demo video like, oh, this is my perfume. It sends so where I bought it on Amazon. I bought it. Please, if you want it, you can go to Amazon and get it. So this one attract brands to start gifting you items. So if you are able to know how to use the product you already have, start creating video before brand will start seeing you and start gifting you items on TikTok affiliate marketers. This is a trick I'm just showing you. Don't wait for brand, else you will start spending a lot of money to get brand sample. But if you don't want to waste money to get brand sample, please make sure you start with the item you already got in your house. This is a trick I'm just giving you right now. So let's dive in so that I can share the screen with you. So now we are on TikTok. You see my account is now 159. Click on this three line. Then you can come to TikTok Studio. Click on TikTok Studio. You will see monetization. These are all the monetization available on TikTok. Click on this creator marketplace. You see this blue creator marketplace. Click on that. You will see you are going to input your bank details and tax. I forget, you must have a tax number now. It's very, very important. You must have a tax information. Now, when I started, there wasn't tax information. Now you must have tax information. Then you fill all your individual. Make sure you click on individual. You are individual business. These are your tax information. Fill in your tax information. You are good to go. It's as simple as that. Then add your bank payments that tally with your tax information. Then you click on agree. You are finished. This is how simple it is. So TikTok After registration, wait for 24 hours. Once you get approved, start creating content and promote affiliate.